Hey guys, this is Lucy back with another video on how to view your Gmail password on your PC. So first, open your PC and go to any browsers you have. So just go to the settings of the browser just like this. I'm using the Brave browser. You can use the Chrome browser as well. There are three dots in the interface of Chrome browser. Just click on that and click on the settings button. After you've entered the setting page, click on the setting which says autofill and passwords. Here you need to go to password manager, and there you will see all the password that you have saved in the browser. Click on google.com and it will show you the passwords. So before this, the browser might ask you to enter your laptop or PC's sign-in password. So you just need to enter your password and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.